Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ark Survival Evolved on Android. First, ensure your Android device is compatible. The game requires at least 3 GB of RAM and Android 7.0 or higher for smooth performance. You can download Ark Survival Evolved Mobile for free from the Google Play Store. Once installed, launch the game and complete the initial tutorial to learn the basic controls and mechanics. This will set you up for your adventure. Once you are in the game, your immediate goal is survival. Begin by gathering resources like wood and stone to craft simple tools, such as a pickaxe and hatchet. Next, build a small, secure shelter to protect yourself from the environment and aggressive creatures. Taming your first dinosaur, perhaps a dodo, will provide a loyal companion and help with early resource collection. Focus on these steps to establish a strong foundation in the Ark world. As you progress, explore the vast world to discover new biomes, each offering unique resources and challenges. Consider joining a tribe with other players. This provides significant advantages in defense, resource sharing, and tackling larger threats. Breeding dinosaurs is another key aspect, allowing you to create stronger, more specialized creatures with enhanced abilities. These advanced strategies will significantly deepen your Ark experience and help you thrive. To optimize your gameplay, adjust the graphics settings within the game to match your device's capabilities, ensuring a smoother experience. Remember to use the Cloud Save feature regularly to protect your progress and allow seamless play across different Android devices. Keep an eye out for special in-game events. These often offer unique rewards and present exciting new challenges to keep the game fresh and engaging for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.